And your next dentist appointment may also be a lot different in this new environment. Offices all over the state are preparing to reopen, and as dentists add new safety measures, there are questions about which phase they actually fall under here in the state of New York. Here's 7 Eyewitness News reporter Olivia Proya.
Dr. Michael Lamastra is preparing for the day Maple Dental can fully reopen, a day that could be less than 2 weeks away.
The governor hasn't specifically mentioned when dentists can come back. We think that we're in phase 2. They've talked about licensed professionals in phase 2. He hasn't specifically said dentists.
After nearly 40 years as a dentist, Dr. Lamastra says he's seen just about everything.
We've dealt with hepatitis, we've dealt with SARS, we've dealt with tuberculosis, we've dealt with herpes, and now we have to deal with this. So we've done all these things, and we're used to doing this. We are trained. We went to school for 8 years. We're doctors.
But the longer dentist's office remained closed, the more serious situations become.
We are not going to be able to diagnose these things, and these things are going to go on, and people are going to wait. They're going to put off their visit because they think they should be afraid, and they really shouldn't be afraid because we know how to handle this.
Dr. Lamastra says in addition to ordering all of the proper PPE, like face shields and isolation gowns, he's been listening to webinars and following guidelines to best ready the office.
So I've ordered new windows that will open, and they're going to be installed next week.
He's also placed air filters throughout the office and in the furnace. The biggest concern are the aerosols that spray into the air when they use specific tools.
But according to the recent studies that they've done, if you have an assistant with high-speed suction, it will take up more than 90% of the aerosols.
He will also be limiting the amount of people in his office by having patients wait for their appointment in their car. New rules in order to get patients back in the chair safely. In Amherst, Olivia Proya, 7 Eyewitness News.